Hey everyone. I'm vlogging because I think this little vlog will be like a little productive day in the life, but not in terms of like academically, just retail therapy. So I looked in the fridge and there's like nothing that piques my interest. Appetize, wrap, I have avocado. I'm not sure if they're ripe enough though. Cheese and some pepperoni, heat that up with some sriracha sauce, and then have some... Why is everything I touch like rotten? Like, bleh. This is my first ever attempt of doing ASMR, so literally rip to your ears and eyes, I guess. But I also made a smoothie and it was literally like Edward Cullen was in my smoothie because it was glistening in the sun. I drank you right up. Vampire speed, which I did. Recently I've been trying to be more healthy, so I took an Arbonne fizz stick in the flavor grapefruit and I couldn't open up the package with my bare hands, so I had to go take a pair of scissors and the powder went flying everywhere. Exhibit A. I did not like that sensation. I treat my body like a temple. Anyway, the powder and the water did a little chemical reaction. It was kind of cool, but I was like, bruh, should I be putting this in my body? And after 1 second hard thought, I was like, yeah, YOLO. So I drank it. But this is what it looks like from Bird's point of view. Again, I'm not sure if I should have. It wasn't fizzy at all. Okay, so like result wise, it did not give me energy at all, which it's supposed to, and it wasn't even fizzy. Like the drink was like flat pop. Like who likes that? So result wise, I give this a negative 10 out of 10, but aesthetically pleasing wise, like an 8.5 out of 10 because the color was nice, and in my mason jar I looked like really eco-friendly and boho chic, especially when I put it against the sun. It was like glistening. Like Edward Cullen, we meet again. Here am I at the gas station. You're probably wondering, like, Charlotte, why are you wearing like a sweater in like 50-degree weather? First of all, it's not 50-degree weather. Slushies. This one is my sister's. This one's mine. It's so pretty. Look at the top. It's like majestical. We got 3 bags of candies, sour worms, sour soothers, and sour cherries. This is my gas station haul, so yeah, I'm on that little sugar crazy high. And then I went to the gas station to get my SEPHORA package. Yay! This is my parcel. The box is kind of dented. Just opening it right now with a pen. I'm kind of struggling. Oh yeah, I also gave myself a little note. You are so poor now, Charlotte, but at least you have new stuff. Yay. Hashtag shopaholic, hashtag passion for passion, hashtag poor. And I didn't vlog in the post office just because there's so many people in there. I kind of wanted to respect their privacy. I got some mail. Can't wait till I'm an adult because going to the post office is so much fun. Oops, it's kind of wrinkled. This was on sale, so it's the reason I bought it, but it's just a Saint travel size perfume, so I'm really excited to try that. It's very pretty, so I like it, but to be honest, all perfume smells the same to me. Then I got a sample of Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume, but it is a perfume. Again, smells the same. Got this like lash maximizing thing as a sample as well from Dior. To be honest, don't know what it does, but I only got it because it's Dior. I think I broke it. This is my favorite thing that I got, and it's from Sephora Favorites. So this lip bundle comes with 5 lip products, one from Lancome, Patrick Ta, Fenty, Too Faced, and NARS. I really think this is a good value set, especially from Sephora Favorites, because it comes with 2 full-sized products. I would have to say that my favorite products out of the 5 is the Juicy Tube and the Too Faced Injection. It does come with 2 full-size products. So the first one is Fenty in Fuzzy with dollar bill signs, and the other one is NARS in their Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Orgasm. Then it also comes with a Juicy Tube in Magic Shell, a Patrick Ta Lip Shine and She's Expensive, and then a Too Faced Extreme Lip Plumper, which is my ultimate favorite because it feels like a million bees are stinging your lip. This is everything that I got, and I also got their like little sample thing. It's for their hair care repair damage. This is just a little try on of the shade Magic Spell Glossy, and it has like little shimmer. Not like anyone is going to see this, especially if I'm wearing a mask, but like retail therapy and self-care, self-love type of beat. Tell me that isn't gorgeous. Just the gloss, not even the color, because the color is pretty much just my lip color, but